हाइलाइट्स अदिप्टर में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपकी होस्ट तुलिका मंडल आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। चलिए देखते हैं कलेक्टिव के लिए क्या मैसेज है। व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून, समथिंग इज शिफ्टिंग। जी, 4 ऑफ कप्स। ओके, someone missed some opportunity, something like that, and they are now seeing it. जी, maybe mad at something, targeting something, or maybe watching something very aggressively because they don't know where this offer is going to go, because the shift has occurred. ठीक, 7 of Pentacles and Queen of Swords. ठीक है, somebody waited for long, लेकिन वो जैसा चाहते थे ना वैसा हुआ नहीं. Nothing happened the way they thought. Something will pay out. ठीक जी, they feel burdened now, maybe hiding from someone, they are leaving something. ठीक है, going inward या फिर going out. ठीक, 10 of Pentacles. So they are living some kind of luxury living style or some kind of abode home. ठीक है, they don't want to live there anymore. Why? ask for help. ठीक है, it's not like कि कुछ हुआ and you have to leave everything and go somewhere else. ठीक, एटलीस्ट जो है उसकी कदर करें. ठीक, चेंज तो आते जाते रहेंगे. यू शुड be grateful of whatever you have right now. ठीक, they are full in their emotion. It's like whoever this is resonating to, ask for help, go see some psychiatrist. ठीक, it is something that is coming from their teenage days. ठीक है, Page of Cups, 10 of Cups, Five of Wands and Temperance. It's like कि सो देयर कैन बी 2 पीपल, एक जो हील कर पाया खुद को एंड एक जो खुद को हील नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. ठीक, हीलिंग इज़ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट थिंग टू डू. इट्स द मोस्ट डेंजरस डीमन यू फेस विद इन योर सेल्फ. ठीक जी, somebody tried to stop someone's movement, someone's love, someone's fulfillment, and somebody lost. ठीक, and since they lost they are feeling like they have to leave everything. ठीक, it's the truth, लेकिन you don't have to. ठीक है, आप जो है उसकी कदर करें. ठीक, and people come in our life according to reason, according to season, according to life. ठीक है, हमारी कहाँ कौन सी हीलिंग होनी है, कहाँ कुछ हमें सीखना है, लर्निंग होनी है, उस हिसाब से लोग हमारी लाइफ में प्लान्ड किए हुए होते हैं. ठीक है, आप एक ही एटीट्यूड सारे लोगों को नहीं दिखाते हो. ठीक, अलग अलग लोग आपकी अलग अलग पर्सनैलिटी बाहर निकालते हैं. ठीक, सो maybe it was a hard or tough learning for you. Grow from it. ठीक. Page of Swords, Three of Swords. So they are like if they stay there they will again attack. ठीक है. It's like they don't trust themselves enough to stay somewhere, or the people they live with, they are feeling like this is a not the combination we want. ठीक. So this person decided to move away. ठीक है. Don't know what to do. Knight of Swords and the Magician. What is this? They are trying to manifest something fast. ठीक है. This happiness again. So yes, a change of situation or place can help this person. ठीक. Nine of Wands, King of Cups and the Devil. ठीक है. So it's not a good energy. This person is इसको क्या कहेंगे, डिप्रेस्ड भी है एंड कंट्रोलिंग भी है, एंड इट्स लाइक कि आई नीड व्हाट दे गॉट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. ठीक. द एम्प्रेस कैन बी हाई प्रिस्टेस, दे नो दिस. ठीक है. किंग ऑफ वाइंड कैन बी. ओके. एम्प्रेस, but the Empress is protected. The Sun and the Judgment. ठीक है. The Empress was always the Sun and it was the Judgment. I don't know what they tried to do. ठीक है. एंड मैं टैप इन नहीं करना चाहूँगी बट कमिंग वेरी फास्ट. ठीक. So what they tried to do to an Empress to hide or control. ठीक है. using the money. ठीक. जी. planned everything. See behind the scene, it is seen and the world people are aware. It's the faith they shouldn't have taken कि they can control an empress. ठीक है. it's the truth and धीरे धीरे pieces are making sense. Archangel Michael. ठीक है. King of Cups and Archangel Michael protects someone very fiercely. ठीक है. and they didn't let nothing happen to this divine feminine. ठीक. anything else? Backlash relief. जी. everything they did backfired. ठीक. safe travel and transmute. ठीक है. तो like I said, आर्कएंजल माइकल ने सब कुछ ट्रांसम्यूट कर लिया. अष्टलक्ष्मी, गुड फॉर्चून. ठीक. कैनवस, चाइल्ड एंड अर्थ. ठीक है. somebody is seen as the baby in spirits and they are protecting it like everything. ठीक. जी. nature spirits. somebody is very much connected to nature. this empress maybe. जी. shift, fire reverse, mirror reverse and time reverse. okay, तो somebody tried to delay something, postpone something. they don't want this empress to mirror someone. ठीक. everything got failed क्योंकि fiery reverse है. the action they took didn't work out. जी. psychic and boundaries. ठीक. veiled. somebody thought कि they are veiled but they are not. What is this? Some kind of illusion was created regarding someone's mate. ठीक. But this is very much protected in spirits. ठीक. किसी को लगा कि इन फिजिकल उन्होंने बहुत कुछ कर दिया है, बट नो. ठीक. इट वॉज प्रोटेक्टेड. द swans. ठीक. Spirit saw everything already कि what somebody is trying to do. ठीक. So I don't know, it may be a special week for the twin flames, soulmates, friends. ठीक. coming together, working together. ओके गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगली रीड में. तब तक के लिए बाय.